Hey, Sketchlab friends. Today, we're stacking donuts Christmas style. And guess who's on top? The cutest pink axolotl ever. Well, let's grab your pencil and let's get started. So I'm going to start off with these two dots that determines the width of the donut stack. And then I'm going to curve a line up. So I'm basically going to be creating a cylinder. And inside the cylinder, we're going to be stacking the donuts. So I have these two lines down. Vertical lines, and then I'm going to go ahead and curve a line down. So this is going to be the height of our donut stack. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make our first donut. So you can see I'm curving a line out to the left, curving this line down, and then obviously back out to the right. Erase off some construction lines. And now we're going to make it drippy. So I'm going to use a wavy line. Oh, look how tasty that donut looks. And that's just the first donut. Can't wait to get these other ones drawn on here. All right, I'm curving a line out to the left, and now you can see I'm curving a line down. Then I'm curving a line back out to the right. And I'm going to use a wavy line to draw this chocolate frosting that's dripping over the side of the donut. Cleaning off some construction lines. So I'm going to go ahead and curve a line out to the left. Curve a line out to the right. Then I'm going to curve a line down. And this one's decorated kind of like a peppermint. So I should have put a warning on this video that this will cause donut cravings today. So these are crossed contour lines. They're curving around the form, making this appear to be more three-dimensional. Using some little ovals to create some sprinkles. Decorating these donuts for the holidays. Yeah, sprinkles are like the confetti of the dessert world. And if a sprinkle falls off, we don't talk about it. So we're going to go ahead and use a wavy line. And we're creating the frosting on the bottom donut. So just by stacking these donuts, we've used overlapping. Even the frosting is overlapping. Just using more ovals to create these sprinkles. All right, guys, we're ready to draw this cute little axolotl. So I'm curving a line out to the left and curving a line out to the right. And this is just helping me create the shape of this head. I'm going to curve a line down. So the shape of this head is a little bit like a watermelon-shaped oval. And this is going to start the Santa hat. Just going to kind of tilt this a little bit to the side. So I'm going to curve a line out to the left, and now on this side I'm going to curve a line out to the right. And you see this line that curves up, I'm going to go ahead and match that. Look at this little axolotl living his best sugary life. I'm going to draw the circle. Yeah, if this axolotl smiles any harder, it's going to melt the frosting. And there's its little hands. You clean off these construction lines. And in two little lines there. Same on this side. And look at these large eyes we're going to draw today. I'm going to leave a little white highlight inside of it. So is this snack size today, or is this share with a friend? And now we're going to go ahead and add a little mouth. Oh, look how cute it looks. Is it too cute to eat, guys? This awesome little Christmas axolotl. These holiday donuts. And look how 3D everything's looking today. So these are going to be the gills. I'm going to basically create these cucumber-shaped oval. And the one on the bottom is smaller. And then the same thing on this side. I'm going to have 3 ovals. And I'm just going to go back over these shapes, kind of widening out the cheeks a little bit. So this is a good time to stand back from your artwork, make any adjustments as needed. It's going to add a few more details like some sprinkles. So obviously you can do more to decorate your donut. What if we had a strand of Christmas lights going around this? That would be pretty cool. So I'm going to use a Sharpie and a micron. Using the micron, as you can see, for the eyes there, and for the finer detailed stuff like the sprinkles. You're going to notice these donuts are going to have a nice bold outline with the Sharpie. And then the details were done with the micron. So I've got the fuchsia and the pink. And light pink. A little bit of fuchsia. This is pink, light pink. I'm going to go with a little bit of white to add into those highlights. On the Santa's hat, I got the red, dark red, and pink for the highlight. And today for the shadow and the white on the Santa's cap, we'll actually do light blue. So I'm going to have brown, dark brown, and cacao brown. Cacao's like a medium brown when we do the chocolate frosting. And so I have apricot and brown. And I'll go back over the brown with the apricot just to lighten it up a little bit. I'm going to let that dry. And then I'm going to have ivory for the little white lighter band that goes across them. So you can see I'm using red, dark red, and pink. And then light blue and a little bit of white to blend it, creating those shadows on that little candy cane donut. Going in with the base color brown. So this is the ivory. You can see how it creates that awesome band around the donut. Look how realistic that looks now. We've got apple green and red and pink and yellow for some sprinkles. Well, thanks for drawing with me. Our axolotl is officially the ruler of Donut Kingdom. Bow to the sprinkles. Well, I'll see you tomorrow for some sugary chaos.